This one model is Tecno KM5 Otg. Now, today I'll show you how to connect OTG and use pendrive in this phone. If you want to use 64GB pendrive, at first you need to an OTG and need to an pendrive. Second time, you connect OTG and pendrive properly. When connect properly OTG and pendrive, third time you just put this OTG on your phone, and with few seconds after installing it, but here you can see your phone is work or not work. And mind it, if your phone OTG is not working, you just replace OTG and solve your OTG not working problem. And basically have not to turn on any OTG connection option in this phone. And scroll up. When find file manager, go to file manager. When go file manager, you can see your phone OTG is not working and working. You just click on this one, browse, and scroll down. You can see an option called OTG. You just click on this option called OTG, and you can see an option allow. You just click on allow and show your phone OTG is working, and show your phone pendrive file. So viewers, finally, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.